I'm just waking up. It's day 3 of our trip. We got another hotel on the east coast of Puerto Rico. You can see it out there. The waves. About to go check that out. Alright, we're going out back. Just got out the hotel room. And Jesus Christ, like, y'all gotta see this view. Very relaxed place.
You're in Jamaica, man.
Yunque Beach Hotel. Alright, we just had breakfast. Now we parked up at Playa Azul. It's a bunch of coconut trees everywhere.
A bunch of palm trees.
See that? Amazing. About to get a workout in.
Yep.
So they have an advisory for strong currents right now. That's what the red flag means. Red flag means that there's strong currents. But you know your boy like Michael Phelps, so I'm fine out here. I'm gonna get a little run in and I'm gonna hop in the water. Alright man, I'm about to go underwater and oh,
That's the net. I'm about to go under that. Ready? Oh.
water mad salt.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Got the goggles on, we about to go under the water. Jesus Christ. I just fell. Yeah. It's tough.
Enjoying life. Drinking coconuts. Out in a beautiful place right now. We're hitting parts of Puerto Rico people ain't never seen before.
Amazing. It's nothing like a fresh coconut, yo. Told me we out here driving to the east coast of Puerto Rico, trying to make it to Culebra Island right now. It says that the tickets are sold out online.
But we're gonna get through.
Yeah, we going with the flow. We always seem to make it. Somehow.
Somehow, somewhere.
Stay tuned.
When I'm in the track, don't say my name. Put up a back in the drum, the ring. 200 in the dash, when I'm switching these lanes. Feel like Max when I'm putting in pain. Broke out the cloud, you shooting like Dane. Out for the woods, we
Alright, man. I'm really gonna try to break this. You know, Coconut Kev, love coconuts. We're gonna test it. Alright.
Yeah, slam that joint probably with 2 hands.
Dang, bro, why are these shit so strong, bro?
It's really like, hey, you getting somewhere.
Almost, yo.
Let me try. That shit open.
Yeah, facts. You could almost, like, one more.
Oh, that shit open.
Oh, shit, facts. Damn, we did it, yo.
Facts.
Crack the coconut. We on the bus. On the bus to paradise.
It is forbidden to smoke, eat and drink any kind of drinks on board the boat. Any doubts or questions, go to uniformed crew member.
Yeah, yeah,
Baby Kev.
yeah. We spin a block and we boom. In a V12 I zoom. I carry some that I the room. I hold by the two. Yeah, two on me. Came up on my own. I've been in my zone, so I don't care who like me. We lay your pick. She choosing me. How can I trust these hoes when they line up? This a drool on me. Can't trust no hoe. She like to fool on me. Big Glocks, he got two on me. He ain't win a king, he ain't lose like me. We're really out here.
Bro, look at the fucking water, bro. Nah, this is bugged out. Yo, bro, we really out here, bro. Oh, shit. I hit a fucker. Crazy. Yeah, fact.
We the island, yo. The island, man. That everybody can do this, yo.
Everybody can do this.
You don't know about this, man.
How about it? Bro, you that? Just stop playing. You stop playing. You that? Just do it.
¿Y nacieron en los Estados Unidos?
No. Thank you, though. Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Simon, man. Yeah, shit. Great time. The little fish. Truly beautiful. And there's a statue of a guy, my twin. There's people swimming in the water, probably the locals. Must be nice to live over here. I just might have a little property out here. We got the water in the background. Beautiful. That's crazy. It's definitely lit over here. Hey!
Okay, get the camera.
Yeah. Okay. It's turned all over here, yo. See the statue? We really turned. See that? In the store? Yeah. You see it? Beautiful sun in the back. Hey. Got these beautiful females out here, hermosas. ¿De dónde son ustedes?
I'm from Puerto Rico. I'm from Lajas.
Oh, wow. Pregunten en español.
Yeah.
Yeah. ¿La están disfrutando?
Sí.
Qué bueno, sí.
¿En la primera vez?
Sí, mi primera vez en Puerto Rico.
Y vivimos allá al lado.
Oh, bueno, we out here. Boy bought a beef patty. Yup. We had a great time at the beach. Amazing experience, yo. Shit. Yo, we should get on top now. On top, yeah. Shit. Beauty. I see it. What a blessing. What a blessing, yo. Just gotta enjoy life. These things are very rare. Alright, man. That was another day in the books. All showered up, ready to go to sleep.
Yes, sir.
We're trying to fall asleep early so we could wake up early.
Got another island to go to.
Exactly. Another island to go to tomorrow. Who knows? It's gonna be a crazy adventure.
Yep.
You've seen the tickets were sold out for the island from today and we still made it work.
Yep.
Just gotta go with the flow, radiate positive energy, and good things will happen to you. And don't give up. That's one thing. Stay determined, you're gonna get whatever you want.
Hundo.
Alright guys, good night.
Good night.